Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects us all, the intricate connection between memory and sleep. So, if you've ever wondered how your sleep patterns can impact your memory, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we uncover the vital connection between memory and sleep. Segment 2. The Science of Memory Formation. Before we delve into the relationship between memory and sleep, let's briefly understand how memories are formed. Our brains process and store information in various ways, but a critical phase of memory consolidation happens during sleep. During this time, our brain sifts through the day's experiences, sorting and organizing them into long-term memory. Segment 3. The Role of Sleep in Memory Consolidation. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how sleep supports memory consolidation. Rapid eye movement, REM, sleep and slow-wave sleep play distinct roles. REM sleep is linked to procedural and emotional memory processing, while slow-wave sleep is associated with declarative memory processing. Both stages contribute to strengthening connections in the brain, enhancing memory retention. Segment 4. Sleep deprivation's impact on memory. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? Well, studies show that sleep deprivation can significantly hinder memory functions. Lack of quality sleep impairs our ability to form new memories, affects memory recall, and disrupts the consolidation process. In essence, insufficient sleep can lead to forgetfulness and cognitive decline. Segment 5. Tips for optimizing sleep and memory. Now that we understand the crucial link between memory and sleep, let's explore some practical tips to ensure you're getting the most out of both. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a sleep-conducive environment, managing stress, and avoiding stimulants close to bedtime. These are just a few strategies that can positively impact your memory. Segment 6. The connection to overall well-being. Remember, the connection between memory and sleep goes beyond just cognitive functions. Adequate sleep and optimal memory are integral to our overall well-being. As we prioritize healthy sleep patterns, we're also enhancing our ability to learn, adapt, and navigate the challenges of daily life. Segment 7. Conclusion. So, there you have it, memory and sleep, intricately intertwined for our benefit. The next time you hit the pillow, remember that you're not just resting, you're actively supporting your brain's memory consolidation process. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, sleep well and cherish those memories.